Hey everyone, welcome to our lesson 76. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson, we will solve more linear equations. Now, let's dive into it. Here we are given an equation, linear equation, 5 plus 5x, 5 into x plus 2 minus 2x is equal to 3x plus 15. So what we do first is to distribute where we need to, where we have parentheses. So this expression then becomes 5 plus 5 into x, which will be 5x, plus 5 into 2, which is 10, and minus our 2x, and this will give us 3x plus 15. Next, we'll look for like terms. And you can see that between between uh, 10 and 5 we have a total of 15, so we can say 15. And between 5x and 2x we have plus 3x, because it's 5x minus 2x, and this will all equal to 3x plus 15. Okay, now from what we have here is 15 plus 3x is equal to 3x plus 15. Now, once you get to this point, you find that the two sides are the same, and therefore there isn't anything more we should do. It's just balanced out. So this side is equal to this side, and that's all there is about it. All right. Okay. Um, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. And bye for now.